beautiful viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Judith Akinyi in Judith Down the Villages. I've done video like how I started building my house step by step, how I'm hustling to build my house, living in an unfinished house. So this type of video is a video for that person who is really struggling to build a house, or is thinking to build a house and doesn't have money in his or her own hand. But there are ways that he can get money to build a house. And that's why I'm sharing this video. You can build a house step by step. Recently, I did a video of how much can a foundation cost. I didn't give a figure because the only person who can give you that figure is your fundi or your contractor. Today I want us to talk about something else, that is now the walls. You've done your foundation and now the next step is the walls. Let me start by defining the word wall. A wall is a structure and a surface that defines 1. An area, 2. Carries a load, and 3. Provides security and shelter on a building. Did you hear that? That's why you have to do a strong foundation. It is going to carry this load from the walls and the beams, and everything is going to be on the foundation. So the foundation will carry the walls. So make sure your foundation is very strong. Walls carries loads imposed on it from beams and slabs above, including its own weight, and transfer it to the foundation. Generally, the walls are differentiated as 2 types. 1. The outer walls and the inner walls. The outer walls gives an enclosure to the house for shelter, and the inner walls helps the partition and enclosure into the required numbers of room. Now when you want to do your walls, ask for your fundi or your contractor for a quotation only for the walls, and make sure that this time you do the walls up to the ring beam. The ring beam is where it's going to, the roof is going to land on the ring beam. So do the walls from the foundation to the ring beam. When the walls are done, you need to pour water regularly on it at least for 10 days because it increases the strength of the concrete. Arrange with your contractor or your fundi who will be doing this, because sometimes they will forget about it. If you are not ready with the whole amount, buy the materials bit by bit. You can buy the stones and just drop them to the side. It depends with what you want to use. Sometimes there are people who will do bricks and you just go look for someone who is making the bricks and you agree how the person can make the bricks for you. There are other people who make the bricks in their own sites, especially in the rural areas. There are people who just make the bricks in their own sites. They will call this person who knows how to make the brick, and if you have somewhere that the soil can be dug, they will use that soil to make the bricks. Whatever you want to use in your house is your own choice. Normally try to buy materials on your own. I know stones can be tricky because you have to go to a quarry, but you can find someone with a lorry who can be dropping the stones for you. And like sand, it's just the same. But things like cement, try to find in your area where you can get a wholesale hardware, a place where they are doing wholesale, and you buy at once. Because when you buy them like in the nearby hardwares, and maybe you are buying one, you are going to spend more money. But when you go to a wholesale, you will be given cement with good price, and that one will get your cost down. There are so many things that you just get a wholesale hardware where you can get your materials. These are houses for people who are just hustling down here and want to build a house. Not those luxurious houses and big houses. They're houses that maybe will cost you 1.5 million, 2 million, 3, 4. If you go far, it's 5. And we can do it just step by step and make your house the way you want. Thank you, viewers, for being with me. I kindly ask you to subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing. If you've been here and you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and let's meet on my next video.